Making homemade pizza usually requires you to crank the temperature on your oven and then wait as the cheese melts and the crust crisps. That can quickly throw your air conditioner into overtime during the summer months. And if it's a Neapolitan-style pizza you're after, you'll need a temperature higher than most standard ovens can handle. An outdoor pizza oven can help you save on AC costs while giving you a perfectly charred pizza. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 outdoor pizza ovens on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Rockbox Pizza Oven by Gosney. This propane pizza oven boasts an impressive heat output from its propane fuel source that wowed our testers, heating up to well over 700 degrees. This allowed our testers to achieve the perfect charred crust and bubbling melted cheese. Testers also liked how large the stone floor is on this pizza oven, so you can put your pizza closer to or further from the heat, depending on how you want to cook your pizza. During our tests, we followed the manufacturer recommended temperatures and both the traditional crust and whole wheat pizzas came out crisp with nicely melted cheese. The oven comes almost completely assembled, simply unfold the legs and get cooking, but our testers noted that it's pretty heavy for one person to pick up. We also found that the front of the oven was discolored from cooking after just one use, so keep this in mind if looks are important to you. Number 2. Unicara 12 Wood-Fired Outdoor Pizza Oven. If you love the flavor of a wood-fired pizza, this is a great oven to take home. Our testers found that it cooked both traditional and whole wheat pizza crusts very evenly for a delightful char, even though wooden heat sources can make consistent cooking difficult. You'll need to closely monitor the oven while you're cooking, as keeping the flame hot by adding wood pellets is key to a successful pizza. Our testers found they were most successful at cooking with this pellet pizza oven when they followed the directions carefully during setup, lighting, and cooking. There are always fluctuations in heat when using a wood-fired oven. We found it ranged between 615 and 850 degrees Fahrenheit, but this model held the heat well overall and cooked the pizzas nicely. It took a little longer than our testers expected, but they raved about the melted, bubbly top. Number 3. Unicara 12 MultiFuel Outdoor Pizza Oven. If you're in the market for perfectly cooked homemade pizza in a matter of minutes, our testers love the Unicara 12. This little oven is easy to set up, and it cooks using gas, wood, or charcoal as fuel, so you can use whichever works best for you. It's lightweight, weighing just 26 pounds, though our testers noted it was a little awkward to carry due to the chimney on top. It comes with legs to stand on, which are non-slip and foldable for storing the pizza oven inside during winter. Our testers found this oven kept consistently high heat during cooking, averaging around 600 degrees Fahrenheit. The mouth of the oven is larger than other models, so it's easy to turn the pizza midway to ensure even cooking all around, though you'll need to buy your own pizza peel to turn your pie. Number 4. Bratello Gas and Wood Simultaneously. The most sleek of the ovens we tested, our pick for the best wood-fired outdoor pizza oven earned our testers praise for its quick cooking and the mouth-watering pizzas it created. It comes with a small peel, a protective cover, and a thermometer, so you have everything you need to get started upon unboxing. This outdoor pizza oven uses propane to quickly heat the oven, then you can add wood to the oven to achieve a wood-fired flavor. This oven reached a temperature of 900 degrees Fahrenheit during testing, which will quickly cook your pizzas so you won't have to wait around as long for dinner time. But you'll need to diligently turn your pizza to avoid burning. The size of the door made it a little harder to turn the pizza to ensure even cooking, and our tester did note the sides of the oven cooked at slightly different speeds. Number 5. Cuisinart CGG 403 3-in-1 Pizza Oven Plus. Our team of testers raved over the Cuisinart 3-in-1 pizza oven's pizza making ability, which created gorgeous crusts with nicely charred spots. When making whole wheat and regular pizzas in this oven, we found that it created nicely puffed crusts with perfectly melted tops, and the oven cooked them very evenly. Popping the pizza into the oven and turning it was easy, as there is an oven-style opening and a lid that folds down. This allows you to maneuver the pizza around on the grill as needed throughout the cooking process, though our testers noted that it's tough to mess up with this oven. It's very easy to use and doesn't require too much babysitting while the pizza is cooking, so you can prep side dishes or mouth-watering desserts at the same time. The oven doesn't get very far above 600 degrees Fahrenheit, however, so expect a slightly longer cooking time and a more pizzeria-style pizza. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.